This is what it looks like in the daytime. Little dent in the door, little stuff, fender. You're gonna get her nice. You get her looking good. Came with a bed liner, bed cover. Bunch of stuff loaded up in the trunk, but little cosmetic stuff, but it's a truck. We're gonna get her looking nice. And I'm gonna try and get this color to match. All right, it's part 2 to working on the Mustang. I'm gonna start taking off some of these damaged panels, inspect the front radiator support, see how bent and stuff it is. Some of these things are fiberglass, so you know they can be repaired. But yeah, let's just start taking stuff off.
Voice goes, voice goes, voice. Yeah, just know we gotta be level. Just know we gotta be level. No need to hawk him down, just know you gotta be settled. And Brody got a pound, you know the real elite rebel. And that's enough to be settled. When we got super status, bitch, we got our own cars. And I don't need a whole baby, I need my own parts. And I got decent money, so I bought my own tart. They try to play with me, that's how they broke their only heart. No need to waste my breath, you know if we on the same page. We left Lil Brody stuck, we left him on that same stage. We thought you niggas knew better, so we got hunt you down. And she try to eat my energy, but that's my only crown. Let's talk about the real, let's talk about that cash box. I'm trying to install Illuminati doors just in the stash box. Don't worry about my money, babe, what happened to your gas card? I'm trying to do like 83 and burst some asphalt.
Alright, so we got the driver's side fender off, front bumper off. I'm gonna look at the frame rails over here. And this entire area here is buckled and it's supposed to, so like this part of the frame is straight. You can see how much it's curved here from where it's supposed to be. And then on this side, same thing in the same area, buckling. I might even just put a plate in here coming down like that and then have the fenders come out afterwards. This is where we are. You can see how far this one came in. It's supposed to be a straight line from here. Yeah, not as much. Alright, so we got all the panels taken off. We'll use the winch to pull it in whatever direction we need it to pull it in. Mostly everything is going to be coming back this way, so I need to put anchors, you know, in that direction. In the opposite direction, actually, of where it's coming from, because it'll be pulling from the opposite direction. And, yep. So keep you guys updated when we get to the next stage. But that's it for this video. This is just showcasing removing parts. And in the next stages, I'll keep you guys updated with how we pull this frame out and get everything aligned straight. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Like fast food, anything like that part. You know I can't go outside unless I got my hat. Just know we gotta be level.